Hi, my name is Holly Young. I'm originally from the Standing Rock Sioux Reservation. I'm here in Shakopee Community today to teach floral beadwork in Dakota style on tobacco pouches. My creative process to kind of, decide what kind of project I want to do. Like, for example, we're doing tobacco pouches now, so usually I would design, figure out how large the project's going to be, and then based off of that, I'll decide what kind of design I want to put on it and how large that design will be and what size beads to use so that it's large enough so you can notice the work as you're looking at the pouch. Then normally, I work from there, cut out my leather, and then I begin beading until, I complete it. Some people are fast beaters. I'm not a very fast beater, so it would take me a couple days to do a project like this. So what is unique about it is that the history of it and why our people, as Dakota people, have done this sort of floral beadwork is because it connects to our woodland roots, which means this area here in Minnesota is where our people originated, and they began to do this beadwork because of the different plants that are found in this area, and it was a way to honor the plant medicines and relatives and the help that they gave to the people to sustain the people and keep the people healthy. And so it's almost like a storytelling when you're doing the beadwork. It's pretty cool to end up in a community like this and being able to share what I've learned, including, all the mistakes and things to avoid.